Get in the crate, get in the crate! Get up to the crate! Yo, guys, come on, get out, get out! Dude, I got you before you hit me. I got to go for you. He's shooting me in my back. Heads up, they're coming this way, coming through. They're coming right here, they're coming right here. There's nobody here. I got both of them.
Okay, go. Can we go?
Yeah.
All right, go.
Come on, call it, dude. Come on, go ahead. Call something. You kidding me?
You not called?
Yeah. See if he calls this. Wait, you didn't call that either? 24 BBs come at you, you didn't call that?
I didn't hit.
Just like I didn't hit you 5 seconds ago. Oh.
These kids don't call their hits.
No, they're not. Somebody right there? Watch out. Hold on, I want to get through.